Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a debit card on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here if you click on the game library, you're gonna find your installed games and apps. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, I'm gonna go back right here. And then basically guys, if you want to add a debit card on PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. Go ahead and click on PlayStation Store, and then once you're here in the PlayStation Store, right here you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find recent release, collections, sales, subscriptions. Here you're gonna find browse, and right here you're gonna find search, wish list, and lastly cart. Here in the right, if you click on these three dots right here, you're gonna find payment methods, redeem a code, subscriptions, payment history, and lastly payment settings. So right now, if you want to add your debit card on the PlayStation 5, go ahead and click on methods or payment methods. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. Here you have three options. You can use your PayPal, you can use your mobile device, or you can use your credit or debit card. Go ahead and click on these options. And then right here, as you can see guys, you can add your debit or credit card from here, and then once you finish, go ahead and click on continue, then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.